Hey guys, this is just a super quick video to show you how I turned my reindeer cookies into a girl reindeer by adding a bow on top. So stay tuned if you want to see that. So what I do, instead of starting with the snout, I visualize the bow on her head. So I start by making, I don't know if you want to call it upside down V or an A. But then I make the snout. Okay, so then I'm going to go from where the ears, so like normally before I would go around, right? So now I got to think about, I need to leave space for the bow. So don't worry, that's going to fill in. So now I'm going to go, almost looks like antennae. Make the first ear and make the second ear. And the bow is going to sit right in there. So I'm going to then take my toothpick and still bring out the ear like we did on the last one. And if you haven't seen the tutorial on how to make the reindeer on gingerbread men, then I will put the link below in the description box, so you can go ahead and take a look at that. So there is how I started off, and I'm going to let that dry and then come back and show you the rest. Okay, so now we're going to start putting the bow on. So to start off with, we're going to take our red, or whatever color you want, and make the little middle part. And we're just going to let that dry. Right on top of that, I guess, cone or upside down V. So we're gonna let that dry, and then we will come in and put in the actual bow part of it, and then we'll do the antlers.